Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these raspberry and white chocolate cookies. Let's begin. Into a mixing bowl, you'll want to place your butter and both of your sugars and beat them together until they are lighter, fluffier in colour and consistency. You will then want to give the bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then go ahead and add in your egg and vanilla and mix it until it's fully incorporated. Make the mixture looser, but don't worry, this is completely normal. You can then go ahead and give the bowl another quick scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in. Then you can go ahead and add in your dry ingredients, passing them through a sieve first to remove any lumps that may be in the dry mix. So don't forget to add in the white chocolate and the fresh raspberries. I'm using frozen, this is really important to use frozen. Then just mix it on a low speed until a dough has formed, being careful not to overmix the dough at this stage, otherwise it will make the cookies tough. So for each cookie you'll want to take 2 scoops of cookie dough and ball them up in your hand and then place them onto a baking tray which has been lined. Again, I always put around 6 cookies on a large baking tray as they do spread. You can then go ahead and flatten the cookies slightly just to help them bake better. So here are what the cookies look like once they are fresh out of the oven. You will then want to add 2 raspberries and 2 pieces of white chocolate onto each cookie. Again, you can vary the amounts depending on what you have got. I found that using 2 raspberries and 2 pieces of white chocolate is the perfect balance for these cookies, as you get that tartness and that sweetness, and it just works really well, but again you can vary it to suit you better. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again next week with some more recipes for you, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the links in the description. There'll be a link to this blog post, a link to my blog, a link to all my social media, so don't forget to go and check it out if you're interested. But yeah, that's all for today. Until next time, bye guys.